So why in the world is Quant Network struggling still? I know there's been thousands of videos produced on YouTube telling you all that Quant Network is going to 10x, it's going to 100x. Why is it going to hit $10,000? And then you come and look at the chart for Quant Network and you see this. The price continually going down. So obviously the videos that these individuals are producing is not having an effect on Quant Network's price. So why pay attention to it? Why? If it's not working in line with what the price chart is displaying, then obviously those individuals don't know what they're talking about. The chart is where the true action lies. If they was able to come through and show you information and news off of the charts, that would be a little bit more positive. But you don't see that. They give you some regurgitated information off of some other person's article, their opinion, and try to insinuate that this could be the cause as to why Quant Network could go higher. But then you come back a couple of months later, a couple of weeks later, and the price is still decreasing. Something is not right. Where is the disconnect at? Because price, it doesn't move off of that information. It moves off of buying and selling, period. Nothing more, nothing less. And the reasons why people come and buy and sell could be for a plethora of reasons. I have no idea why people will sell. I have no reason why people will come and buy Quant Network. But it's recorded. The price chart shows us. So why would you want to come in and buy Quant Network when you see a downtrend in place? We've identified this downtrend in Quant Network going all the way back to June the 19th. I talked about Quant Network again on September the 25th. And as you can see, I didn't change my idea because the price chart didn't change. Has it changed now? No, because the market is still struggling in Quant Network. Now, why? It's off of one simple principle called supply and demand. Obviously, there's a lot of supply and a lack of people trying to buy Quant Network right now. And it's going to continue to go down until it hits a price that's at a discount that will spur more buying. Here's Quant Network on the weekly chart. Okay. Now we're almost at the very bottom of our ultimate TP price, which is around 80 bucks. Quant Network on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. Here's Quant on the 5. Okay. So now, sooner or later, there will be a bottom, right? Sooner or later, that will occur. And you can see here that this is where the initial stage that the buyers are really showing up in the market for Quant Network. Right there. $85. That's where they're at. But you have all of this weakness and all of these people who's been offloading their quants in the market. These two bounce points, I don't know that's going to be able to hold all of this pressure that's been pushing down in the market in Quant Network. Now, you can see that we're clearly in profit right now in Quant Network. What's wrong with taking some of this off the table? It's in your hands. You already have a control over this profit. So why not come through and take a little bit off, 12%, and just leave a little bit on to hit the ultimate area of TP that you identify, right? Now let's extend this over to the left. Let's see if this is an area of support. Take a look at that. We haven't seen Quant Network trade at $87.50. $87.70 since this day right here. July the 26th, 2022. It's been that long since Quant Network has came down to that price. And that's pretty much where those buyers came in. Look at the volume that appeared on this 7-hour price, 5-hour price bar right here. And they didn't leave once they propped up the price of Quant Network right there on this 5-hour bar. And the market has been trading higher since then. Okay, so are we expecting the market in Quant Network to do that again? Right now, I don't think so. I think the market's going to try to come down to 80. So I'm actually finished. I'm not going to change my idea. I'm still going to anticipate some weakness into the market in Quant Network. Now, the thing is that this market is taking its time in going lower in price, which lets us know that there's actually a market to where people are able to get what they're asking for in terms of price. No one is really in a quick or in a hurry to try to sell their Quant Network in this space. If they are, there's definitely some market participants willing to buy it. And every time they seemingly come in and buy, price continues to go down. Now you got people that's telling you to dollar cost average and telling you to come in and buy the dips. How has that been working for you? Because it's not working if you've been buying the dip in Quant Network ever since the highs of this year. Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button so you can also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.